Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Command Prompt now. Press Windows plus R, type CMD, and hit Enter. If you need elevated access, right-click and run as administrator because some commands modify system state. Once open, check your current folder with CD and list files with dir so you know where you operate. Make sure common tools are reachable by confirming path or using full executable paths. This prevents errors later and explains why commands succeed or fail as you proceed. Now you execute commands and combine them to automate tasks. Use Cmd to run the next command only if the previous succeeded, and use to pipe output into another tool. That explains how you transform data step by step. Redirect output with OR to save logs. For repeated actions, run batch files, or for loops to avoid manual repetition. Try diagnostics like ipconfig, tasklist, and ping to see real outputs, so you learn both how to run commands and why results look the way they do. To finish, cleanly close the session with exit and check results by inspecting exit codes. Echo %error level % shows success or failure. If something fails, rerun the command as administrator or examine redirected logs to find permission or path issues. When stuck, append / or use the help command to see valid options and consult Event Viewer for system-level errors. This approach shows how to close tasks correctly and why checking codes and logs prevents repeat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.